If you're seeing Steam error 9002, that usually points to a connection failure or a timeout. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. The good news is that this error is often caused by a simple network issue, a bad download region, or a temporary cache problem. So in many cases, you can get Steam working again without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's fix it. First, we're going to do the simplest but most effective reset. Completely exit Steam. Don't just close the window. Open Task Manager and make sure Steam is fully shut down so there are no background processes still running. After that, restart your PC. This clears out a lot of temporary network and session issues that can trigger connection errors. While your computer is restarting, go ahead and reset your internet router as well. Unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and let it fully reconnect. A fresh router connection can often resolve timeout problems right away. Once your PC is back on, open Steam again and check if the error is gone. If it's still happening, the next fix is one of the most important ones for this type of problem, changing your download region. This is often considered the gold standard for Steam 9000 series connection errors. To do this, open Steam, click Steam in the top left, then go to Settings and select Downloads. Look for Download region and switch it to a different city or nearby region. The goal here is to force Steam to connect through a different set of server relays. Sometimes your current region server is overloaded, unstable, or having routing issues, and switching to another region can instantly solve the timeout. After changing the region, restart Steam and test again. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear the download cache. You'll find this in the same Downloads menu under Settings. Click Clear Download Cache. Keep in mind that Steam will log you out after doing this, so you'll need to sign back in. What this does is remove temporary configuration files that can become corrupted or stuck, especially when Steam is trying to connect or resume downloads. If the cache is the problem, clearing it can fix the timeout almost immediately. Now let's move on to your game files. If Steam error 9002 is only happening with one specific game, the issue may not be Steam itself, but the game installation. In your Steam library, right-click the game that's giving you trouble, select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the files and repair anything missing or broken. This is a great step if the error appears while launching, updating, or connecting to a game server, because damaged files can sometimes cause connection failures or unexpected timeouts. If you still haven't fixed it, the next thing to try is flushing your DNS. This helps clear old or outdated network information on your PC. To do that, open Command Prompt as an administrator, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. This can help if your system is holding on to bad network routes or stale connection data that are interfering with Steam. The final step is to check your firewall and antivirus. Sometimes Windows Firewall or third-party security software can block Steam's connection to its servers. Temporarily disable your firewall for testing, or better yet, make sure Steam is allowed through both Windows Firewall and your antivirus software. If Steam is being restricted, it can cause exactly the kind of timeout error you're seeing. Once you've confirmed Steam is allowed, try launching it again and see if the error clears. So to recap, if you're getting Steam error 9002, start by fully closing Steam, restarting your PC, and rebooting your router. Then change your download region, clear the download cache, verify your game files, flush DNS, and check your firewall permissions. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get Steam back to normal. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more Steam fixes, PC troubleshooting, and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.